Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? She got home cooked meals, turn up the heat. A little bit of dessert, it won't hurt. Let's get the cooking with Nana the expert.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be unboxing a set of two 2-quart slow cookers. They're by Barrymore and her beautiful kitchenware collection. I have found them at a pre-Black Friday sale at Walmart for $15. I had missed out on them last year, so I'm happy to get them this year. So their compact 2-quart capacity serves up to 2 people. It has 3 heat settings, low, high, and warm. It has a removable ceramic pot for easy serving. This is made for smaller meals, sauces, dips, and more. The set includes 2 individually packaged 2-quart slow cookers, 1 thyme green, and 1 white icing. It's also dishwasher safe, ceramic pot and lid. So it has a tempered glass lid that's shatter resistant. It's cool touch handles for easy portability. Removable ceramic pot for easy serving. Manual warm setting once food is cooked. It keeps it at an ideal serving temperature. The additional features is dishwasher safe, removable ceramic cooking pot, and tempered glass lid for easy cleaning, long-lasting steel with matte finish. There's 3 heat settings, low, high, and warm. Compact design, perfect for small space living. So now we're going to go ahead and unbox it. Okay guys, as you can see, they are individually wrapped. You can also give one away as a gift if you choose to. Okay guys, these are really nice. I love them already. As you can see, the lids have a gold handle with a B on top. The B is in gold and around the knob is in gold trim. You have off, low, high, and warm. It also comes with your instruction manual and a card to register your product. Okay guys, so if you guys stay tuned to my channel, I will be using these in future videos. I will come up with some new recipes and try them out in it, and I'm about 100% sure that I'm going to be satisfied. If you've seen any of my other reviews on her products, they all have been good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.